Are you tired of it? Are you tired of looking at random YouTube videos that promise you the perfect workout, that give you the perfect diet, and then when you try it out, you lose hope and just quit? And then you look at something else that seems like it could give you results. You give that a shot, and soon enough, you quit again. That's what happens with most people. They don't know where to begin, they don't have a clear direction of what to do when it comes to their fitness journey. And that's where I come in. I'm officially launching the Top 1% website. Go to www.top1percent.fit and get started on your fitness journey the right way. The only way you're going to get real results that last for a lifetime is if you enjoy the process. That is crucial. Each person is different. You can't have the same cookie cutter diet or workout plan and expect you to follow it like a strict bodybuilder. It's not going to work. Most people don't want to sacrifice their life to get their fitness results. I understand that. I'm going to simplify the process for you and give you a structured approach on how to go ahead with things. Get the head start that most people are missing out on. And hey, before you even think about hiring me as a coach, go book your free consultation with me so that I can help you start in the right direction. And if that's not enough, check out the free ebook I'm giving out on the website. It is packed with solid information and tools that nobody else is willing to give out in the fitness industry for free. But why? Why would I give it out for free if nobody else is willing to do that? You know why? It's simple. That's because I want to add value to your life and earn your trust. That's the way I want to do things. So go grab your free ebook copy right now and get your free consultation so that you can get started in the right direction. And if and only if you're convinced with that, can you hire me as your coach so that I can walk you along the way for each step to guide you how to get started and what to do on your fitness journey. That's right. And apart from that, you can also check out the blog section where I'm putting out quality information packed articles on a weekly basis where you can learn more about fitness in a simplified manner. You don't have to scratch your head now. You can get everything that you need to know about fitness in one place, and that is top1percent.fit. You can also check out the about section where I talk about my fitness journey. How did I begin and what was my journey through the past 5 years of me training to get to this point of where I am today. So what are you waiting for? Get started and reach your full potential. Make fitness a part of your lifestyle, something that you enjoy, something that you can sustain and get the results that last for a lifetime. And that's all I got to say. Thanks for all the support so far. I put a lot of time and effort into making this website, and I truly believe it is a beginning of something very special. So go ahead, visit Top 1% Fit right now, and let's get started on your fitness journey. Cheers.